Okay, we're here at 4067 Wilkinson Avenue here in Studio City. Now, there are two cleanouts outside of the house, one at the property line, one where the pipe exits the house. But we like to check as much of the main line as possible. So we're on the roof and we're running our camera from a 4-inch roof vent. Now, we've reached a point in the property line over here where we just cannot get past this one spot that's a little shifted the line, and I think it's a little blocked over here. But we'll try from the clean out at the property line to inspect this piece going into the street. We're here to check the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. So you'll have your general inspector run the water. He's going to check everything. He's going to crawl underneath the house. He's going to do a physical inspection of whatever he can see. We're here to check the main line. And what you're looking at right now is a little bit of a dislocation in the line. Cannot jump it with a camera from 52 feet away. So what we're going to do is going to pull the camera back. Okay, you can see there, right over here is the clean out at the property line that we'll continue our inspection from. Now it looks like we have a section of cast iron main line running through the front yard, and this actually looks like it's in pretty fair condition. Very minor rust buildup, looks nice and round the pipe. Now right over here, there's a clean out where the pipe exits the house. And then when we come back, it comes back to cast iron pipe that's very old. This section of cast iron running underneath the house, under the foundation, is very old. You can see the rust build up in it. It's a little bit too much. Getting very old, this pipe. I mean, it's functioning, but it's getting very old. Okay. Alright, so here we're going to come up the roof vent. And we're on top of the roof here. I'm going to pause the recording. Okay, so we've got our camera in from the 4-inch clean out at the property line. We're all the way out to the city connection. You see the city flowing by here. We're going to bring the camera back. So we have the 6-inch clay lateral coming back from the middle of the street towards the property. Got some roots coming in over here through the joint. Got more roots over here, pretty heavy roots over here. Those are pretty heavy roots coming through the line over here. You can see there a little more, Rigoberta. Okay, let's pull it back. The line's definitely going to need to be hydrojetted. There's no doubt about that. So let's bring it back here. Heavy roots in the line. More heavy roots right over here, right here by the property line. Very heavy roots, a lot of paper stuck in the line there. Okay, so now we're going to come out here, out of the clean out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the recording. I'm going to see if I can put the camera in to the 2-inch clean out located on the side of the house. Okay, so we're running our camera from the 2-inch clean out located here behind the kitchen sink. We're pretty much all the way out to the outside clean out, the 4-inch clean out. So let's pull the camera back. So we know this cast iron pipe outside looks good. There's the clean out outside. Now we're coming back to that very old cast iron pipe over here. This is very old. I don't like the look of this pipe. we're going to recommend that this should be replaced because a lot of stuff can catch over there and then there's no way to clean it out. It comes back here, connects to the 2-inch ABS plastic pipe which comes back towards the kitchen. Now this had a lot of grease in it, so we flushed it out a lot with it, and the camera went through very easily. So that's good. You can see it's actually nice and clean now. We actually cleaned the line at the same time. You can see the grease build up over here. Probably will recommend a hydrojetter once we're doing the 6-inch line. We're going to recommend that this be hydrojetted as well because you can see a lot of grease build up over here. Now, like I said, definitely have the general inspector check stuff underneath the house when he calls underneath. We're checked as much as we can over here. Okay, so here it comes out of the clean out over here, and we'll stop the recording over here.